Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to track more than just tasks in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to use custom fields on the free plan to build a simple CRM, track projects, and plan content. First, for a CRM-lite system, create a list for your contacts. Add custom fields like email field, company text field, deal stage dropdown with lead, prospect, customer, and deal value number field. Now each task is a contact with a full profile. For project tracking, add fields to your project tasks. Use a progress % number field, budget currency field, and client feedback long text field. This turns a simple task into a detailed project tracker. For content planning, create a list for your content calendar. Add fields like content type dropdown for blog, video, social, target keyword text field, word count number field, and publish status dropdown for draft editing. Published. You can view all this data in table view to see a spreadsheet-like overview, or filter and sort by any custom field to find exactly what you need. The free plan lets you create unlimited custom field types so you can adapt ClickUp to track virtually anything. And that's it. With custom fields, you can transform ClickUp from a basic to-do list into a powerful database for your business. If you create custom fields, let me know what you're tracking in the comments. See you in the next one.